Hello everyone. In this video we're going to add more functionality to our website. Let's say that we have a user that wants to complain about how awesome our website is. Let's build a little form, right? So readers can send you a lovely message. So yeah, today we're going to work with forms, and it's pretty easy to do with Django. The documentation really explains everything about the forms and how you can implement them. And yeah, this will be your friend. So the first thing that we need to do is to create a model to store all the message that will be in that people will send you, right? In our database, let's in our model, sorry, let's create a model. Let's call it contents. They also have a title, model, jar field, file name 150. Name. Email will be email field. And a date, right? Date field. And the message. Oops. Let's put 2000. No, or 3. Yep. Okay. Oh, let's. Oops. Let's create our string. This will return the name of the person plus the email. Save. Okay, now we need to run the following commands that we run when we modify our models, make migrations, and migrate. Boom. Let's add that to the admin so we can see if it's working, everything. Models import, what's the name? Contact. Boom. Should be working now. Oh, and yeah. We're not running the server. I'm like, oh, what's happened? Okay, we have contact here. Beautiful. Now we have our models. Now let's create our forms. So let's create a form, a Python file. We will name it like forms.py. This file will handle all the forms that will belong to our post app. And inside our forms, let's import from Django. Let's import forms, and let's import the models. In this case, content. Yep. Yeah. Now let's create our model. So the procedure is kind of like similar when we create our models for the database. In this case, we are subclassing, for example, let's call it like contact form. We are subclassing from forms model form, and yep, and now we just need to create two variables inside a meta class. This variable will be like model, and then here we assign the model that we are working with, in this case contact, and the fields that we want to display in our form. Okay, in this case we want to display name, email, and message. These are the fields that are here. Okay, we're not adding like message date because we want to add the date like automatically when people send a message, so we will do it in a different way. Okay, now we have our forms, we have our models. Yeah, it's pretty simple like that. We just need to create our views, right? Okay, let's go to views. Here, the first thing that we want to do is import our form that we just created. Import contact form. Yep. Yeah, and our model. Oops, contact. Beautiful. Okay, let's create contact. They will take a request. Okay, beautiful. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to check if this view, if the request is a post, because in this one we will have two, a post and a get. A post when people like send the message, and a get when people is just when they're like just loading the when they're just like loading the view or the URL, right? So we need to check that if the request that method, oops, okay. Now like here, so if it's a post, we want, let's create call a variable called form, and then let's call the form that we just created here contact form. Okay, let's pass the post. Okay, and okay, now here we need to check because because we are like saving to the database. We need to check if the form that we are receiving is valid. So let's click that form is valid. If the form is valid, then let's create a new one called like message dot save. Here we're basically like stopping the form to save because we want to add the date. We don't have the date yet, so let's put false. It's basically like a little pause here, and then like in the message, let's the message. What's the name? Message date. Yes, will be equal to, and then like here, from Django dot utils import time zone. I think time zone. I think it is. Let me Let me check. Ah, oh yes, time zone. Okay, we have like time zone, and like here we just add like time zone that now to get the current date. Boom. Okay. And now we can save. Let's put like form save. Okay, and now this will return. We want to redirect the people when they save. Let's here in the HTTP, let's call like HTTP response redirect. Yes, let's copy that. We want to redirect the person, the people, and then let's call it contacts contact success. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is okay. We have everything for our contact. This is for the post. Now for the get. Here we put else. If it's a get, we want to load the form anyway. So let's go like this and assign contact form. Let's create a contest. Oops. And then let's assign form. And then here form. Beautiful. Let's render all of that. Return render. This will take the requests first and the template. We don't have it yet, but let's just put it here. And the context. Yep, we have everything here. Let's create another view for this contact success. Let's call it static website for the for contact. Okay, here contact success request, and do we just return return render let's put it like that, like contact success HTML. Yep, just like that. Oh, oopsie, we forgot something. Yes, the request here. Yeah, this should work now. Just add a comma here. So yeah, basically this view is divided by two, like for the post here and for the get. For the get, we just want to load the form, and here we want to work with the form. Yep. Okay. Now we need to create our URLs, right? Let's just go here and let's import our new views. Contact and boom, beautiful. Okay, now contact, we just pass our views here. Contact success. Okay. Okay, boom. As you can see here, we are redirecting the person to this URL here. Okay, yeah, we have everything. Now let's just go and start creating our templates. Yep, here. Let's create two files first. Let's create the contact and the contact success. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Both they will stand for base. And let's put our block here. Boom. Beautiful. Okay. Let's start with the contact first. Let's first go to let's go to base first, and then like, so we want to add a link somewhere here, so it can take you to the contact form. I will just put it here in components. Components. Oh, here components, and like here we just need to add this URL index. Yep. No, it's not index. It's contact. The thing I was just looking at this. Okay. Contact. Boom. It's working. Great. Now let's just yeah, let's start working with our template. So now let's go to materialize just to see like our form here. Let's see forms. Okay, test inputs. Yeah, this is a great template. Let's just copy all of that. Oops. Here, paste. Wow. Save. Let's see how it looks. Yep. Yep. Working great. Let's just start deleting the inputs that we don't need. Start from here. We don't need anything of that. We just need 3 fields here. So yeah, let's just delete 3. They just leave like 3. Yep. Okay. Let's save and see. Yep. Okay. me see first. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to change all of these inputs to the correct input. In this case, they are here. Oops, they're here in form. That's how you load like the input for the forms. You just put the name that you added here in the view. As you can see, it's like form, and then like the name of the input. In this case, name. Let's copy that. Let's paste it here. This is our name. This is the email of the person. Email here. Let's put email. Now we copy that. The message. Text area. I don't know. Yeah. Message. Boom. Let's reload. Yep. Let's add a little title here. Want to send us a message. Let's put a divider here. Div class divider. Yep. Let's separate that a little bit. Yep. We want a button here. Let's just go to buttons. Let's see. Oh, that one's perfect. Copy that. Space this here. Boom. Here we go. Yep. Beautiful. Yep. Oh, yeah. Very important here. You know what form we need to change. We need to add like the method. It will be a post method, and yeah, just like that. And yeah, I think that we have everything now. Yeah. So, oh, very important. Here, let me show you. We need to have like a tag called like oh, oops. Yeah, we need to add like this tag to the form. This is for like security reasons. You can read more about the security, why we add that to our like forms. But this is just like when people just want to like put JavaScript code and stuff in our forms. We don't want that. Let's just put that. This is for security reasons. So yeah, I think that we have everything. Just put action here. Oops. Yeah. yeah, everything should work. Let's see how it looks. And we want to create a success when people when people hit the send. We want to notify them that they just send us the message, right? Yeah, let's go here. Let's create a row. Then here, let's create a section. Here we want, let's put a goal as, and here let's put I don't know, like a sign. I don't know. Let me see. Icons. Something like a check, right? Yeah. This one will be fine. Like check cycle. How we got? Oh, let's copy this. Check circle. Let's go to success so we can see what's going on. Okay. We want that green. Oh no. Green test. Beautiful. Okay. Let's put that in the center. They will be like center align. Yeah, let's. What else we can put? Let's put a test here. Let's just copy this. Thank you for your message. We in shortly we will review your message. Right? Let's see. Boom. Yeah. And here, let's see. So another one. This is probably not the best way to design, right? Wow. Look at the HTML skills. Okay, here let's put a oops. Let's put it here outside. Okay, the people will see this when they send you their message, right? Let's just see if everything's working. It should work, right? I hope so. Let's see. Okay, let's go to content and yeah, Tony Stark. Oh, I have some data here. Yep. Oops. Hee. Oh yeah, if you want to send me a message, this is my mail. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Oops. Subscribing or like. Thank you so much for watching. Submit. Boom. Ooh. Oh, yeah. In our views here, we cannot add the view. No, just view. This is the URL that we need to put. In this case, let's put that. Let's see now. Wow. We need to send a message. Stark at family.com. Testing. Da, 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 da. This is interesting. Let me see. But the URLs here is good. Like it should work. Oh no. Okay, so we need to make some changes to our view because I was using incorrect, like redirect. I was using an HTTP response redirect and HTTP response redirect, and the best way to do it is with a redirect here. Let's just import that from the shortcuts, and like here on the top you can just import that, and then like in our view just put it here, like redirect, and then like here the URL that you want to redirect. In this case, this one. Okay, it should work fine. Try person my message. Yep. And now we can just go to the admin to check if everything is working fine. Yep. Okay, and this is for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.